So, it's time to build up our nest. Very fresh. At may natira pa po dito. So, squish it out. Yan. At ibahay po natin sa ating face. May natira pa po kasing kunting serum. Huwag nating sayangin. Okay. So I'm using this round love from Korea. And it's very hydrating water gel mask. Marami siyang water, guys. Take a look. It's very refreshing. Feeling mo after mo using it, parang galing ka na sa parang nagpa-facial. Yes. I leave it on my face for 20 minutes. Then after this, yeah, it's very cool and it's very refreshing. You can actually feel it after you put on it. Just spread it evenly and let it absorb on your face. And some of the serum you can spread it in your arms. Para hindi siya masayang. Still have more. Round Love facial mask from Korea. Thanks.